Hey guys, wanna know how to disable Steampunk Frontier mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you've done that, on the bottom left corner right here, you can see your game mode or your maps. That is right above the start button. Just simply press on it. And once you've done that, right here you can see the Steampunk Frontier mode has been already selected. Make sure you are on the ranked and classic mode as well. Now to disable it, just simply select this arrow icon on the bottom of your map that is located right here, which is the arrow interchanging each other. So just simply press on it and there you have it. It has been disabled and now you can play your classic mode by default. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.